Hi, this is Robin Thwaites at BVE 2014 on the Tiffen stand, and what I'm going to do is show you through some of the Steadicam range. We're going to start at the small end, and if you look down here we have a brand new baby which is the GoPro fitting Steadicam Curve. So it's a very simple little device, works as a proper Steadicam, uses your arm for stabilisation and has a nice little 6-axis or 3-axis 6-bearing gimbal on the top. Designed for the whole range of GoPro, and it has a very neat trick where it locks off and you can use it just as a handle as well. Okay, if we move up from there, the next Steadicam we have is the Smoothie, which is designed really for iPhone. It will also take a GoPro mount. This one's an iPhone 4 mount, but you can see that the iPhone sits neatly into this cradle on the top. And again, it works in true Steadicam mode. Probably two-handed operation. Can't do with the microphone, of course. But there we go. Single-handed operation as well. So this is the Steadicam Solo, which is a brand new product. This is the only one in Europe. And the Steadicam Solo is designed for a camera up to 4.5 kilos. It's a traditional T-shaped or inverted T-shaped Steadicam sled with proper controls for fore and aft adjustment at the top. It also has a movable gimbal so that you can put the gimbal in the optimum position for balance. You can add and take away these weights at the bottom. The base folds up for transport. And it has a neat trick where it turns into a very handy monopod as well. So you've got a multi-function stabilizer. If you're using a heavier camera, a good recommendation would be to use it with an arm and vest rather than carry it in your hand. The arm and vest is the same as the Pilot one, so you have a isoelastic arm and then a very lightweight and thin vest to carry it. So this is going to be available from April, and price on that will be £445 in the UK. So moving along, we have the Steadicam Pilot. This isn't brand new, it's been around a while, but it's still a very nice unit, designed for cameras up to 4.5 kilos, obviously ideal with these DV cameras and DSLRs and so on. Has a monitor on it, unlike the Solo, so that you can actually see what you're shooting. But you wouldn't normally use this handheld, you'd normally use it with the arm and vest. Again, it's got a proper vernier adjustment on the top for balancing, movable gimbal, powered for the monitor from a V-Lock battery down on the base. So finally, what we have here is the new Forza Exo Vest. This is a new concept in Steadicam vests, in that you'll notice it's rigid at the front and rear, and it places the weight on the hips and shoulders, which is the best way to carry the weight with a Steadicam. So it means that it balances it through your body without affecting your spine. You see the padding up here is further away from the actual pivot point of the weight and where the arm fits, so it gives you greater leverage to be able to resist any movement. It also has a revolutionary feature in that the hip bands and the shoulder bands pivot, and that enables you to walk around and keep the vertical spars at the front vertical while you're still able to move your hips.